Alright, MotoGP fans, we have the all-new Alpinestars R10 Jack Miller Edition helmet in stock, and I don't expect them to last long. You can see the pile, it's not that big. These are ultra limited. What's inside the box? You're going to find a pin lock visor, because yes, the helmet is of course pin lock equipped. You're going to see this beautiful bag. Really do love how nice and protective and padded this helmet bag is. As you open it up, awesome. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Here we have a tinted visor, dark smoke visor, nice, well protected. Here we have an additional, a secondary, shorter spoiler. It comes with the longer version attached. This is going to be painted. That'll be pretty cool. We'll open both of those in just a moment. Yeah, these are very well protected, as they should be. They're expensive helmets, and they should be expensive. Yeah, very nice bag. Additional pockets on the inside on each side. There's your care manual, rather thick, warranty guide. All right, are you ready? I'm ready. Oh, Lyle was right. This is nicer than I thought it would be. This is very cool. This is very nice. Okay. Well, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm a fan of this style. I have a thing for red, white, and blue, and neon, and stars. It's just, ooh, Thriller Miller, number 43. This is super cool. It's going to look really good with the, I mean, looks great already. It's only going to look better once you put the tinted visor on it. Beautiful design. Very, very cool. Look at that. RP. Not sure what RP is for. If you know, post up in the comments. I'm kind of curious. But beautiful helmet. As you can see, once again, there are not many of these in stock. So they are available now. Jump on the website. Order yours today, because once they're gone. And you'll never, ever be able to get one again. Our the Martinator helmet sold out very, very quickly. I know a lot of people were upset. You know, learn from that. Don't wait. And before I finish this video, which I was about to do, let's go ahead and take a look at the tinted visor and the additional spoiler as well. Yeah, very nice. It's a dark smoke. It's not that dark, but it's dark enough. I would say it's about a 60% tint. And okay, here we have the additional short version of the spoiler. It's a tight little wrapper. Lots of little tabs to get caught. Careful. Oh, some 3M sticky tape. Okay, very cool. So, if you like to ride with a passenger, you might not enjoy that rather large spoiler. You might want a smaller one, and this is basically the smaller option. So, you can see them both side to side. It is, you know, a solid inch and a half shorter. So, if you have a passenger, in theory, you won't bash them in the face with the back of your giant spoiler. Or, what's much more likely, once you do drop your helmet and bash the back of the spoiler, you have a spare. How nice of them.